should take 482 if they want to be a broadcast reporter, a broadcast producer, a broadcast writer, a broadcast editor. We incorporate all of those skills when it comes to broadcast news and put them into the classroom and give the tools for these students to be successful in a news environment on television.
I decided to take the class because I want to go into broadcast reporting, specifically entertainment, and I knew this would be the perfect class for it. It feels like an actual broadcast newsroom. You have to put in the work, but I love it. If you love editing, if you love being in front of the camera and just sharing the stories that you find interesting to people, I think it's a great class.
I initially wanted, before I came here, to get into sports broadcasting, but I kind of lost that juice or the fire to do that. And then this class has actually reignited that writing for TV skills. Like, that's been the thing I've liked most. So I still am pursuing a sports marketing career, but like, it's definitely like the fact that we'll get a reel out of this, and you know, the fun I've had editing and the skills I've learned have, reignited that flame to like, hey, maybe I could do this.
The goal of this class is for students to get a news reporting reel. That way they're able to have a paper resume as well as a television reel resume, and they can submit that to news directors and get a job. And we have seen students get jobs in actual newsrooms directly from this class. So I am very happy that those students are successful and continue to be successful. And it's a great networking opportunity for current students because they're able to communicate with other students who now have jobs as producers or reporters or writers, and they're able to help the current students get into that marketplace once they graduate.